Hello guys, welcome to my andwintech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix system UI not responding error on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing with the issue fix system UI not responding, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to restart your mobile and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After restarting your mobile, if still you are facing the issue, then try this second method. For that, you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on the see all apps. Here you need to find Android system. Just tap on the search button and type Android. You can see here Android system web view. Just tap on that. Tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, then go back, try the third option, just tap on the Play Store, then type here Google, tap on the search button. In this you can see here Google, just tap on the Google, just tap on the uninstall. This will uninstall your Google updates. Just tap on the uninstall, then go back. Guys, if trying all these options still you are facing the issue, then you need to reset your mobile. Before resetting the mobile, you need to take all the backup of your mobile data. After that, you need to reset. For resetting, just tap on the settings. After tapping the settings, you need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the system. Last you can see here reset option. Just tap on the reset. You can see here reset all settings, or below you will find reset all data, factory reset. Just tap on that. You can see here you need to take backup all your internal and external storage. Cannot take from the external storage because it will not get deleted. You need to take the backup of your internal storage. After taking the backup of the internal storage, just tap on the erase all data. After erasing, all your mobile settings and apps all will be uninstalled. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix system UI not responding error on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.